Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation designed especially for beginners. Whether you're new to meditation or just looking to reconnect with the present moment, this session will help you cultivate awareness, relaxation, and inner peace. Before we begin, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably on a chair, a cushion, or the floor. Whatever feels best for you. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's take this time just for you to simply be. Let's start by connecting with your breath. No need to change it, just observe it. Feel the air entering your nose and the air leaving. Take a slow, deep breath in, and exhale gently. Again, inhale deeply, filling your lungs, and exhale, releasing all tension. With each breath, allowing your body to soften. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Let go of all tightness in your hands and face and eyes, allowing the muscles in your eyes to relax. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Gently bring your focus back to the breath. Inhale, exhale. Just like the waves of the ocean, coming and going. Now let's bring awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head, noticing any sensations. Without judgment, simply observe. Move your awareness down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Let any tension melt away. Now shift your focus to your neck and shoulders. Are you holding any tightness? If so, imagine your breath gently releasing it. Move down to your arms, your hands, and your fingertips. Feel them softening, becoming lighter. Now bring awareness to your chest and stomach. Feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. No need to force anything, just notice. Continue scanning down to your legs, your feet, all the way to your toes. From head to toe, you are fully present, fully aware. Now, let's focus on simply being here in this moment. Notice the sounds around you, perhaps distant noises, the hum of the air, or even the sound of your own breath. Observe the sensations, how the air feels against your skin, the support of the chair or cushion beneath you. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them gently. No need to push them away. Just notice and let them float by like clouds in the sky. Bring yourself back to the breath, Each inhale anchors you in the present. Each exhale releases what no longer serves you. Now, slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. If this meditation helped you, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know how you feel right now. Your thoughts and experiences help shape future meditations. If you'd like more sessions like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may need a moment of calm. Thank you for joining me today. Wishing you peace and mindfulness in all that you do.